key card. I am about to open it for cabin 1427, and this is cabin 147. So let's open it. And I've just opened it. Okay, I'm videotaping it. Thank you. And here's my card to get in. So let's go in. Okay. Opening the door. And we gotta turn on the light, which I haven't absolutely. Okay, so I turned on the light. To the bathroom. Gotta step up. Here we have the bathroom. There I am. Hi. It's got plenty of storage space for us. So it's a little bathroom, but it's cute. And then you got your toilet. And you got your toiletries down here with your little tissues down there in the wastebasket. Plenty of towels. Towel mat. All right, and then the shower. So, decent sized shower. Got the little thing to hang your wet clothes when you go swimming. And then this is the shower, a retractable shower head. So very nice. And then you have your soaps. Okay. And when you walk out the bathroom, there is a step down. So you have to step down. I need to find lights in this joint. Where are the lights? Okay, so I've turned on the lights. As you walk in, you can see there's glasses for the water, and then you got drawers here, and then you got your TV right here. Another mirror, as you see. Behind me is a couch with beach towels, and then there's the king size bed. And then when you open up this, what we got in here? Hey, I thought we had a refrigerator in here. Guess not. How the heck are we supposed to keep our pot cold? I guess just ice. Okay, so there's the outlet of 230. What the heck does that mean? Anywho. Okay, and then you got two little drawers here. Drawer here, and then we got the ocean side. So that's your window, as you can see. And basically that is our room in a nutshell. I don't know why I thought we had a refrigerator, but I guess we don't. But some rooms do, but ours doesn't, which I'm upset.
Every single day